Are you searching for an affordable yet powerful alternative to the Raspberry Pi? Meet the Lyra Pi, a new micro-development board that offers versatile connectivity options, impressive hardware, and a competitive price tag. The Lyra Pi is a micro-development board from Luckfox. It comes in 4 model variants, all designed to support a wide range of modern applications. One unique feature, it supports an optional LTE modem so you can go wireless, anywhere. Processor, 3 Cortex-A7 cores at up to 1.2 GHz, plus 1 Cortex-M0 low-power core. Memory, 512 MB of DDR3L RAM on every board. Storage, Lyra Pi A, 8 GB eMMC storage, no memory card slot. Lyra Pi B uses a microSD memory card, no onboard eMMC, wireless, models AW and BW. Add Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. 4G/LTE modem support. Add the SIM 7600 GHM, 2 LTE Cat4 module that works with LTE TDD, LTE FDD, HSPA+, GSM, GPRS and Edge. SIM card slot conveniently next to the M2 modem slot. USB ports. 2 USB 2.0 ports expandable via headers. Ethernet, 2 100 Mbits Ethernet ports, not gigabit. Audio, 3.5 mm jack for headphones or microphone. Display, MIPI DSI interface, HDMI is not available. GPIO, color-coded header for easy sensor actuator connections via UART. Board size, 85 by 56 mm. Pricing, $67 for the board with 4G module kit and 8 GB eMMC. Optional Wi-Fi/Bluetooth, add for just $3 more. With these features, the Lyra Pi not only undercuts the price of a new Raspberry Pi, it also bundles in options tailored for IoT, embedded, and edge connectivity projects. Whether you're a maker, student, or tech enthusiast, the Lyra Pi development board delivers practical power, rich connectivity, and real value in a compact form factor. Ready to try something new? The Lyra Pi could be your next big project platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and hardware deep dives.